यस पूर्णिमा, आप चालू करो आप।
Today's topic is myself and science.
हम्म।
Firstly, I invite Gati.
यस।
Gati, please start
यस।
your topic.
वेरी गुड। और सभी लोग सुनिए,
Hello,
आगे आपको भी करना है इस तरीके से। हाँ।
hello everyone. My name is Gati and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B1. As we all know that today's our topic is about science, and as we also know that science has become an essential part of our life, and it is very important for us because most of our life on is based uh, most of our life is based on the science, and science is exists in every field of our life, and the most of industry is going on through science.
वर्ब का ध्यान
Thus,
रखो बेटा, आप वर्ब का ध्यान रखो। आप सिंगुलर प्लूरल का बहुत गड़बड़ कर रहे हो, आप ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा। हाँ, यस।
uh,
बाकी के लोग अपना माइक बंद रखें। हाँ।
in present time, in our daily routine life, we are using most of the gadgets of science, like we are using washing machine by which we can wash our clothes, and we are watching TV, and cooler, AC, many things. Without them we can't imagine our life, and in from science we can know about the corruption by CCTV cameras. We can get evidence against the crime and corruption, and in education field also science is very important because we can do many projects through science by computers, and it is used for our for the information of weather. We can know about satellites from the science, and we are developing many gadgets, and we are our country is also developing through science. But in present time, it becomes it there is no doubt that science is a boon, but in present time it also become a curse, because uh, we are becoming the slave of science. If we don't have the gadgets and the technology, we feel helpless, which is not good, because uh, we should know how can we live without science, because there is science is not available at every place. So science is very useful. That's it.
Well done. You speak very well, and your content is also very good.
वेरी गुड, बहुत
Thank
अच्छा।
you, Gati.
Thank thank
Now,
you.
second turn is Miss Vinay.
सभी लोग
Good
सुनिए
evening.
कैसे एंकरिंग हो रही है, जिससे कि नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको भी करना है। हाँ, यस विनय।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vinay Solanki. I live in Mathura. I am a teacher. I have one daughter. Her name is Araina Vinay Singh. I get up early in the morning. I make food daily for my family. I have three sisters and two brothers. I teach my daughter. I learn English because English is our second language. I go to temple daily. My school, I go to school at 7, and I come back my school at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock evening. Then I do my housework, and I make, and then I teach my daughter, and I practice my English classes. Now I am taking English classes, and I go to temple in the evening, and my school uniform is sari, and I like to cook food, and cooking is my favorite job, and I learned English from Rajesh Gupta sir. He's a very good teacher, and it's all about me. Something okay.
बस ओके, दैट्स
Thank
ऑल। लास्ट में अपन इतना
That's
बोल
all.
दें, दैट्स ऑल।
That's all.
या दैट्स
That's
इट।
all.
हाँ, यस। बहुत अच्छा
That's it.
बोला। वेरी गुड। हाँ, यस पूर्णिमा।
Thank you, ma'am. You are speaking very well, and your accent is also very good. Now next turn is Payal.
Hello everyone, my name is Payal. Today telling about the rule of science. Science is the most important rule in our life. Science is the most important rule in our life because we can't imagine life without science. Today, today, सर युग को एरा बोलते हैं
हाँ
क्या?
हाँ बोलो.
Today's era is the age of science. Science has made many things. Science has made many things easy easy in our life. Like that, hospitals, communications, vehicles, educations, that etc. And later on this science gets divide into three parts, like physical, like first of physical, second of biology, and third of chemistry. That's it, sir.
Well done, Payal. Your content is also very good and you speak very well. Keep it up. Have this
Thank you.
confidence. Continue. Next turn is Tamanna.
Yes. Hello everyone, I am Tamanna Meena. Today I am going you tell about science. Science, as we know, science has given many things like mobile phones, television, metros, trains, TV, mobile phones, etc. Those are very helpful for us. Science has given eyes to blind and legs to lame. Science has given to us X-ray machines. Now I am going to talking about mobile phone. With the help of mobile phone, we can contact with others. We can contact with others, and there are many useful apps in mobile phone. Now I am going telling about television. Television is like a window with the help of it we can see what is happening in the world. Now I am going to tell you about trains. Trains are helpful to less the long distance. Science has given many useful things. Without science, we cannot imagine our life because it is used in our daily because the experiments of science are used in our daily life. As we know, science has many advantages, but it is also many disadvantages. It is also crush on our society because it reduce our faith, believe on God, or if we and with the help of its gadgets, our eyesights maybe become weak, and now people are invest their time.
People waste their time.
Waste their time on watching mobile phones. They cannot spend their time with their family members. That's it, sir.
Very good.
Well done, Tamanna, and be confident. Very good. Next is Astha.
Thank you.
Sir, may I leave?
Yes.
My name is Astha Rajput from Rambal Interactive Classes. Today my topic is on myself. So let's start it. My name is Astha Rajput.
My father's name is Pramod Rajput. My mother's name is Pista Rajput. I live at Kanota in Jaipur. I have two siblings. Their names are Himani and Priyanshi Rajput. My grandfather name is Shivraj Singh Rajput. My grandmother name is Rani Rajput. I like to play badminton. My favorite subject is English. My favorite teacher is Mrs. Pooja Sharma. My best friend is Rashmi Meena. So that's it.
Well done. Thank you, Astha. Very good. Before I announce next name, I request to all please set your cameras in proper way जिससे कि disturbance ना हो please. Okay.
माइक अपने
So
बंद
next,
रखें. हाँ, yes.
yes, next is Sparsh.
Hmm.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Today I am from Ramban English online classes from batch B1, and today I am going to tell you about science, the role of science in our daily life. Science is boon for us. We can't imagine our life without science. It has made our life very easier and faster. We can't imagine our life without science. Electricity is the biggest invention of science because by it we can get light, fire, and air, and it is very and it is very biggest invention of science. Through it, through electricity, most of the tools of science can run. Uh, Now I am going to tell you about the inventions of science and their helpful usage. Satellite is very useful in satellite is useful for our daily life. We can get the information of weather. We can get the information regarding regarding the other planets in universe through CCTV camera. We can get the we can get the information that we can get the information and we can get the evidence against criminal. Through washing machine we can wash our clothes easily and fastly. Car is very important thing of life, important thing in our life. Through car we can go anywhere at any time and fastly. Through aeroplane, we can go foreign because in ancient time we couldn't imagine to go in foreign. uh, Through smartphone we can communicate with each other, and in corona period, students, phone is where phone is getting important for students because they can they are because they are taking online live interactive classes through it and computer is very important thing of life. It has made and we can see it at every field. Through it we can get the information of our world, and we can send email or or many important important files through it. We can store important file through it. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Sparsh. Well done and speak very well. Thank you so much. Next
Thank
is
you.
Prerna. Yeah. Next is Prerna.
प्रेरणा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आप इसको ठीक करो जब तक. पूर्णिमा, दूसरा
Sir,
नाम.
अब आ रही है?
हाँ, अब आ रही है, बोलो.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Preerna Jawar. Today I am tell you about science. Science is a very important thing in our life.
आपकी आवाज फिर नहीं आ रही है प्रेरणा. ऐसा आप ईयरफोन रिमूव कीजिए, मे बी आपके ईयरफोन में प्रॉब्लम हो।
अब आ रही है क्या?
यस।
Science has given many things like TV, AC, fridge, cooler, and we by the science we by the science we without science we can't live, and we can't live. And TV is the most important part of the science, because by the TV we can see our favorite programs, and we get the information here and there, and here and there. In the corona age, scientists and doctor has tried to make the vaccine, and vaccine has made by the scientists and doctors. So uh, so and the most important thing of the science is science has is a computer. By the computer we have not too much mind, and we do our work easily. And by the vehicle we have not to walk, and we have not to walk, and our by the science our country has developed. And in the corona time the education of the education of children are spoiling, and so that and and the science technology, children are taking online class by the mobile, and by the mobile we can call any other person, and that's it.
Thank you, Prerna. Well done. You speak very well. Keep continue. And next is Karina.
Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nalwani. Today I am telling about the role of science in our life. In today's world, the role of science is important. We need science in every point of our life, like for treat the diseases, and even for book the cab or ticket. In fact, without technology, we can't imagine our life. We use cars, bikes, or bicycles to go from one place to another. These all are inventions of life. We use soaps, shampoos, and many products. These are also given by science. We use LPG gas and etc. for cooking. These are also given by science. In the field of agriculture, we also need science in that. In present day, machines are available for the irrigation system, or drip irrigation system, etc. All are given by science. All fertilizers and manure are also given by science. That's all.
Thank you. Well done. Speaking so well. Next is Divyanshi.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am telling you about that what is the role of science in our life. Science gives us many things. They are so important in our life. Science has give us mobile. Mobile is so important for us. By mobile we can store our things and we can contact anyone. And by mobile we can do many things. And next is computer. A computer as important as a mobile. Computer is used many fields like offices, schools, banks, and many places. Next is washing machine. By washing machine, we can wash our clothes easily. And next is TV. Science also has given TV. By TV, we can watch TV serials, songs, news, and many other things. And science has given us vehicles. By vehicles, we can go everywhere easily. And science give us many things like and so important thing is the electricity. By electricity, without electricity, we can't do nothing because by electricity we can run lights, fans, and many things. Uh, uh, and by electricity, we can run anything of science, and science give us many things. By them, we can easy our life. We can make easy our life. That's it.
Thank you, Divyanshi. Well done. Next is Priyanka.
Hello, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today I want to tell you about the role of science in our life. Without science, we can't imagine our life. We are nothing without it. We use many devices in our daily life, which is the part of science, like TV, mobile phone, electricity, computer, etc. First of all, I want to tell you about television. Television is the most important device of our life. It is the source of entertainment. We can provide many news by the television. It is the means of living the lives of old people. So we can say that it is so important for our life. Then phone. It has made the part of our life. It is so useful. It is so useful for our life. There are many applications in this device like Google, YouTube, Play Store, different games, etc. We can solve our many difficult problem by it. And we can learn many languages by this device. Then computer is the important and needful for our life. Without it, without it we can't get a good job. So science is the part of our life. That's it.
Thank you, Priyanka. Speak very well. Keep continue. Next is Khushbu.
नहीं, नेहा है इसमें प्रियंका के नीचे। पूर्णिमा, नेहा है।
सर पहले खुशबू था, but it's okay. Now next is Neha.
Yes. Hello friends, I am Neha Sharma and I am the student of Ramban Live interactive classes. I want to telling about the role of science in our life. We all know that science is the gift of God. Science is the gift of God, and it is very useful in our life. There are many devices which are used in daily life, and science is used in every field like agriculture, medicines, in photography, in daily life, etc. For example, in agriculture, science in agriculture, it helps farmers a lot, and it increases their crops. In medicines, it helps to find out many disease, like cancer, AIDS, hepatitis, etc. And it helps to fight against disease. And in daily life, we live our life comfortably with the help of science. For example, we use cooler, AC, fan in summer, and use heater in winters. We use phone computer for their amusement and education. At last, I will say that science is the system of knowledge, and modern age is the age of science. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha. Well done. You speak very well. Keep continue. Next is Khushbu.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Ramad Online Interactive Classes from Batch First. As we all know that today's our topic is the role of science in our life. As we all know that the present age is the age of science, and science has an important role in our lives, and science provides us many useful things like cooler, fan, washing machine, refrigerator, AC, etc. By which we can buy washing machine. We can wash our clothes very easily in less time, and by the help of TV, we can get news and what is happening in the world. We can get very easily in the less time, and by the computer we can collect our all the data, and we can make our project very easily, and we can improve, we can get all the news and improve ourselves. And by the help of electricity is a very important thing by which we can get air, many other things. As we all know that the present time corona is going on, and many scientists doing their work regularly, and they make us vaccine for us, and they provide us vaccination, and in less time they provide us vaccine very easily, and all people apply vaccine, and it is very important for us. And as we all know that the present time many diseases came, and now we have all the treatment of any diseases, and by the science we can get any treatment of any diseases, and so that science is very important. That's it. Thank you.
Well done, Khushbu. Your content is very good and your confidence level is also very good. Keep continue. Well done.
Thank you.
Next is Ruchika.
Yes. Hello friends, myself Ruchika, and today I'm telling about science. As we all know that the present is the age of science, and we use many things in our daily life of science. From morning to evening, we use many things of science, and science has given us many things like TV, fridge, CCTV cameras, and washing machine, electricity, and many things. First of all, I'm telling about TV. It is very important. It has become very important in our life in present time, because through TV, we can and enjoy ourselves. It doesn't feel us lonely, and through it we can see many things, and it is also the window of the world. Through it is also the window through which we can see all the things. And the second is CCTV cameras. It is also very important, because through these things we can see the recording of whole the day, and if we are out of the house, then we can see that who came in our house and who not. So it is also useful for us to see criminals. And the third thing is refrigerator. It is also very useful, because because in the past time it was not so that many things become सर आपको क्या बोलते हैं?
Many things used not to be spoiled.
many things used not to be spoiled, so they become spoiled. And through this refrigerator, we can keep them easily and fresh. And the fourth thing is electricity things like washing machine, and fan and cooler. These are most important things our life. And uh, and and the next thing is satellite. The science has given us also satellite, and through this we can see on the earth a small thing like very small insect also. And the next thing is the in the the next thing is in the present time corona is going on, so that that's also.
क्या हुआ एकदम ऐसे? चलो कोई
Thank
बात
you,
नहीं,
Ruchika.
अच्छा बोल रही थी.
You are Ruchika, na? Okay. Thank you, Ruchika. You speak very well. Your starting is very good with very good words. Thank you. Next is Harshit.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I'm student of B8 group, and today I'm telling about science. Science is very useful for us because I don't know that it is curse or bless, but I think that science is good because science give us many useful things like TV, fridge, refrigerator, air conditioner, fans, etc. And science give us vehicles also through which we can go from one place to another without which help us to less our time. And first of all I am telling about TV is a good thing for us, and because we can watch on TV serials and serials, movies, songs, and etc. And science have a good thing which is electricity, because science without electricity nothing no gadget can work without electricity. And sometimes el- gadgets contain much electricity through which they give us shock, and sometimes the shock contain much electricity, so it become more powerful. And sometimes it kill us also because electric shock. And science, that's all, sir.
Very good.
Very good. Well done. Next is Nisha.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today I am telling about science. Present is the age of science. Our life is not possible without science because science has given many useful gifts and we cannot live without them. Science has given electricity. It is very useful in our life because we cannot live without electricity, and most of the gifts of science are useless without electricity. Science has given computer, which is very important in our life because we cannot live we cannot imagine. Nowadays it is very useful in every field. It is used in medical, education, banking, business, etc. Science has given television. It is very useful for us. It is the biggest means of entertainment in present time. We can get knowledge and news of all the world. Science has given mobile phone. It is very useful in our life because we can talk to each other by it. It is very useful to student and businessmen because they can get many information of their study and their business. it is very useful to women because they can pay any tax bill. So it is very important in our life. Science has given many vehicles. They are very useful in our life because we can go anywhere by them. Uh, sci- so we can say that science has changed our life. That's it.
Thank you, Nisha. Very good. Next is Drush.
Hello,
Drush.
hello friends. I am Rashka Agarwal from Raman English Online Interactive Classes B8. Today I am going to tell you about science. As we all know that science is a essential part of our life. We get many knowledge by science. Our country is developing itself by science. Um, Science give us many knowledge like the other name of the other name of science is technology. um, we get many things from technology like vehicles, air conditioners, cooler, fans, etc. Science tell us about kinds of forests, kinds of satellites, and kinds of fruits and kinds of nutrients, kinds of vehicles. we also we also make many machines and gadgets by technology.
Yeah, Drush.
That's it.
Okay, thank you. Well done. Next is Sonam.
Yes. Hello everyone. I am Sonam Meena from B2 batch. As you know that today our topic is the role of science in our life. Um, Science is play very important role in our life. Science given us many useful things. Our future is connect with science. Present is age of science. In present age we cannot live without science because science has provided us lot of things. Although science has given us many useful gifts, but electricity is the most important and useful gift of science. Because most of the gifts of science are useless without electricity. With the help of science, we can end terrorism. Science has given us computer, which is very important. It gives us the news of all the world. Science has given us mobile phone. It is also very important and useful gift of science by which we can talk everyone and everywhere. We can study by this. We cannot live without it. It is the biggest means of communication. Science has given us many vehicles by which we can go everywhere. It can be said that we can it can be said that science has changed our life. That's it, sir.
Thank you so much, Sonam. Well done. Speak very well. Next is Priya.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling about the role of science in our daily life. Present age is the age of science. In this age, we can't live without science. Science has provided us many useful and important things. These things are very useful in our daily life. Although science has given us many useful gifts, but electricity is the most important gift of science. If we talk about on a computer, so it is used in our daily life. A computer is very important and useful device. It is used in our daily in the it is used in the field of our life, like in the field of medical education, uh, communication, transportation, banking, business, etc. If we talk about on a mobile, so it is very useful and important device also. It is used by the people day by day, and its used is increase day by day. It is the mean of communication. If we talk about on a television, so it is very useful also in our life. It is the means of entertainment in our life. So it can be said that science has provided us many useful and important gifts to us. If we talk about in the field of vehicle, so science has provided us many vehicles like car, motorcycle, aeroplane, train, etc. So it can be said that science has changed our life. That's it.
Thank you, Priya. Well done. Next is Suhani.
Hello everyone, my name is Sohani and I am student of B.A. Ramban English classes. Today I tell you myself topic. My name is Suhani and I am a student of 7th class. My mother's name is Mrs. Nidhi Jain and my father's name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Jain. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is homemaker. I read in 7th class in Adarsh Vidya Mandir. My hobby is drawing and I know how to make cake. And my mother is a homemaker and she is make very tasty food. My best friend name is Simran. She reads in my class. That's it.
Thank you, Suhani. Speak very well. Good. Next is Dilkhush.
Hello friends, my name is Dilkhush Mina. Today I am telling about the role of science in our daily life. The role of science is very important in our life. Today we can't live without science because science has given many facilities to us. Science has given many medical facilities to us so that we can get good treatment. Electricity has been given by science. It is very useful thing for us because all facilities of science are useless without electricity. Science has provided mobile phone to us so that we can talk anywhere with each other and we can take online classes. Science has been provided many vehicles to us so that we can go anywhere in less time. Science has been science has given television to us. It is also very important for us because we can listen news on TV. So that we can't imagine our life because science is very important for us. That's all.
Thank you, Dilkhush. Speak very well. Next is Simran.
Hello friends, I'm Simran from batch 8 Ramban online classes and my name is Simran Narera and I read in class 10th and I am a student. I live in Jaipur and my school name is RGPS. My father name is Mr. Gulsing Meena. He is a teacher and my mother name is Mrs. Sunita Meena. He is a householder. He is a housewife and I live in Jaipur and I have one sister. Her name is Sita Meena. She is 1 year old and I am 14 years old. My hobby is drawing and art and craft. I I like to cooking, and I wake up early in the morning and go to cycling. And I have two rabbits. Their names are Chiku and Chinky. And my dream is become a doctor. And my house is small. There are four rooms and one kitchen. There are a big garden. Mm, There are many plants. Thank you.
Thank you, Simran. Very good. Next is Kohinoor.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Kunal, and I'm the student of Raman English Online Live Interactive Classes from batch B8. And I'm going to tell you about myself. My name is Kohinoor. I live in Bharatpur. I'm a student of 10th class. I read in Sun Academy Public Senior Secondary School. Mm. I wake up early in the morning and I go for a morning walk. I go for morning walk daily. My mother name is Mrs. Ektalamba. She is a housewife. She is about 39 years old. My father name is Mr. Sandeep Lamba. He is a shopkeeper. Uh, he is about 47 years old. Uh, my favorite subject is English. I like playing games on a mobile and my hobby is playing cricket and etc. I watch movies and cartoons on TV. I have a bicycle and there are 4 rooms in my house. I have a mobile phone. I love my family very much. That's it.
Thank you, Kohinoor. You speak very well. Your content and confidence is also very good. Keep it up. Next is Anjali.
Yes. Hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today my topic science role in our life. We live in age of science. Science has important part in our daily life. Science has given us many things like computer, TV, cooler, washing machine, AC, CCTV camera, etc. Science has given computer, which is very important. Science has given us washing machine by can wash our clothes easily. Science has given us mobile phone. Mobile phone is very important for us. By this we can talk everyone everywhere. We can video calling by this. Science has given television. By this we can spend time with our family and it is for for entertainment. Science has given aeroplane. By this we can go one palace to another palace. We can save our time. Science is very useful for us. Without it we cannot imagine our life. That's all.
Thank you, Anjali. Very good. Next is Asfaq.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashfaq Khan and today I am telling about you the role of science in our life. Science is a magic in our life. Science is very important in our life. Science 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 makes our works very easy and the science is very helpful for us. Science very progressing a lot every day. That's it, sir.
Okay, good Asfaq. Next is Vansh.
Hello friends, I am telling about myself. My name is Vansh Sharma. I am 15 years old. I am a student. My school name is Gyanjyoti Vidyapeeth. I I play cricket daily. I read newspaper. I watch movies. My favorite color is blue. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite festival is Diwali. My father's name is Mr. Raju Sharma. He, he's 45 years old. He is a shopkeeper. My mother's name is Mrs. Kamla Sharma. He is her is housewife. She is 42 years old. I have three sisters, Priyanka, Payal, and Neha. That's it.
Thank you, Vansh. Very good. Next is Jyoti.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I am going to speak about what is the importance of science in our life. Science has given us many important instruments in our life for make easy and TV, cooler, AC, electricity, mobile phone, washing machine, etc. Washing machine are the invention of the science, but electricity is a very important of this thing because without electricity those device not work properly and before and before the invention of mobile all people keep in communication with the help of letter. If a person talk to other person, then he sent letter by the help of peacock and but now the help of mobile phone, a person can talk easily to other and a person can watch and hear many things and a person can watch face to face to other person if he have anywhere and a person in contact keep contact of their familiar with the help of mobile phone and washing machine is the invention of science and by the washing machine we can clean our clothes easily and less time and computer is also the invention of science and we can get many information the help of computer and we can get many knowledge and we can learn many things and we can learn many things by the help of computer and computer helps in the many field of like science like medical communication railway schools education system etc and cooler fan AC is are invention of the science. By this we can feel pleasureful and science has given good info science has given us many good invention like science has also reached on the moon and also Mars and it is proud of us that science is very important in our life and present time is very important for us. That's it.
Thank you. And is very good. Keep continuing. Next is Preeti ma'am.
Good evening, all of you. My topic is science. So today I am going to express my views about science. In my views, science is not new for us. It is very ancient. Our Rishi Munis also had knowledge about science, but it was not developed so much at that time. Because at that time, people believed in natural things. They lived a very naturally. They did not believe in machines and later on, as the time passed, people demanded for the machines. So our scientists invented many machines for our comfort zone. So now these days we can't imagine our life without science or machineries. So these machineries are possible only because of science. Our scientists has worked a lot for us. They are working, they are doing hard work day by day for our country's development and to provide us many things so that we could survive easily. Now, if can you imagine if Thomas Edison did not invent of a bulb, so how was our life? So maybe it could be still dark. Still, we have to live in darkness only. But now we have bulb or light just because of our scientists. And we can't imagine our life now without TV and radios. These are possible about us because of our scientists. Because if we have no TV at our home, so entertainment is not possible. And now, as we all are living at home only, so if there's no entertainment at home, so it's not possible to live easily at home for such a long time as we are living from the last year at home due to corona. Now we are taking online classes. These are also possible due to science only, because if science did not provide us these mobile phones and computers, so at the time we could not take these online classes. We have to go to some place to take the classes. It can be more expensive and more painful for us, because we have to go out from the home to take the classes. Now we are taking the classes very conveniently just because of science. And if Dr. Abdul Kalam did not invent missiles, so it was difficult for our soldiers to defeat the enemies or other countries who attacks on us. So these guns, these machineries has developed our country, and they have a lot of things us. And in the past we knew only that the life is possible on earth, but later on we came to know that life is possible on our second planet, moon also. So we could not get this knowledge if our scientists didn't tell us about this. So I think science is very important, but we should use it in a bigger manner. So we could rectify its less also. Means इसके जो हमारे benefits नहीं है, जो इससे हमें harm होता है, उसको हम rectify कर सकते हैं. That's it.
Thank you, Preeti ma'am. You speak very well. Your content is also good. Your confidence level is also very high. Thank you very much. So next is Mona.
Hello everyone. Today I telling I get up early in the morning. I worship the God. And my favorite color is blue and red.
आपका नाम क्या है? आप कितने बजे उठते हो? घबराओ मत आप बिल्कुल भी. कितने बजे सोते हो? टीवी देखते हो क्या? लंच कब लेते हो? ब्रेकफास्ट कब लेते हो? घबरा क्यों रहे हो आप इतना? है
My favorite subject is geography. I watch TV at about 8 p.m. I go to temple daily. I take dinner at about 1 p.m. That's all.
Okay.
Thank you, Mona.
इसको दोबारा चांस दे देना एक बार पूर्णिमा. Give an another chance to Ruchika. That time she was not able to speak properly.
Okay, sir. So next is Ruchika.
And she is the last. Yes, come on.
Yes, hello.
हाँ श्री है अभी. अच्छा इसके बाद श्री है. ओके चलो बोलो रुचिका, तुम बोलो उसके बाद श्री बोल लेगी.
Hello friends, myself Ruchika and today I am telling about the science. As we all know that the present is the age of science and the science has given us many things. Like science has given us many things like TV, fridge, CCTV camera, satellite and the washing machine has many. And through these things we can do our work in few time. And like first I'm telling about TV is the most important thing. TV has become the most important thing in our life because it does not feel us lonely. We can see it easily and it is also just like the window through which we can see whole the world. And the next thing is electricity is also the most important thing because the invention of science can be become because of electricity, because most of the things are made by electricity. And the many science has given us many gadgets like mobile phone. In the present time mobile phone is very useful for us. We and from by the mobile we can talk with each other, and it is also used in emergency like in the present time corona is going on, so some patients are not able to go to the hospital, so they can talk with a doctor on the mobiles easily, and through which the virus cannot attract them also. And the next thing is the students can use it properly and they can solve their things by the mobile. The next thing is computer has played his role in every field, like in the army, in the education, in the offices, and many things. In the offices computer is used for making some programs, files, and they can save their large files in the computer. And in the for the army it is very important because by the computer they can see the area of country, and if some criminals or terrorism are coming, then they can see and attack on them. And the next thing is rockets. Rockets have also many important role because rockets by the rockets we are able to reach other planets, and we are able to see the moon and other planets. Through the satellite we can see the small thing on the earth, and the area of country. If some terrorism is trying to come, like we can talk about Pakistan or India by the satellite. If we can see that if some terrorism is
terrorist
is coming to the India, then by the satellite can inform us that someone is trying to come in the border. And in the present time corona is going on, those science is playing most important role because before a century a disease also come that was known as a plague. And there was no facilities of because of science, so many people died because they have no medicines, but now in the present time, because of science we are able to we can made we could make a vaccine, and it is also going nicely. And through the science, now the whole now many people are able to live their lives. And through the science, and science is trying to long the age of human. In the future, according to the scientist, we can live till still 150 years is the longest. It will become the longest, largest age. And through the and science has given us many things also. It is also boon or a curse also, because of it. Because in the if we see in the view of curse, then in the mobile phone, students are using it in a wrong way if they use it for a long time. And that's also.
Well done, very good, Ruchika. Now you have a very good content and speak very well and with a very highly confidence. Keep continue. So our last one is Shri.
Today I telling to you about myself. My name is Nitika Sharma. I read in class 4th.
बेटा थोड़ी आवाज कम आ रही है आपकी, वरना माइक पास में लो आप.
Today I telling to you about myself. My name is Nitika Sharma. My father name is Mr.
थोड़ी देर 2
Nidin
मिनट रुक जाओ
Sharma.
तुम.
I read in
सुनो,
class 4th.
2 मिनट रुक जाओ.
I read English.
2 मिनट रुक जाओ बस.
I am 9 years old. My hobby is play and read English. I have a cycle. I ride it in morning. I like play and dance. I
बोलो बेटा क्या हुआ? आवाज गई क्या आपकी?
yes sir, शायद.
आपकी आवाज का सिस्टम सही नहीं है बेटा, ठीक करो इसको आप.
Thank you, Shri.
My mother name is Mrs. Megha Sharma. She is a homemaker. That's it.
Thank you, Shri. Sir, now my turn.
Yes, speak.
As we know, everyone have his own personality, his own qualities. So here we talk about myself. Myself, Purnima Solanki. I'm from Mathura. I'm a law graduate. By profession, I am an advocate and an assistant professor, degree college. I teach law students. I'm living a joint family. My father, Mr. Devin Singh, is retired from railway, and my mother, Mrs. Indu Singh, she is a housemaker. I have 6 siblings, 4 sisters and 2 brothers. We all are highly educated, and we all independent in our own life. As my father teaches us that you all stood in your own feet and live your life in your own way very independently. I am very average in education usually, not 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 because of that I'm not good in studies. Because of that, I that time I had no guidance, so that English is my very weak point. It's my yeah, there we clear one thing. It's my first time we are I'm so sorry. uh, this is my first time when I speak in English in front some audience. In other hand, but not to worry now. I got a very good teacher, Mr. Rakesh Gupta, who teaches us as like a child. Uh, I uh, I join this class. I joined this class from Monday. It's my fourth, fifth day, fifth or sixth day. But within these days, I feel I very confident, very confident. I have sorry. I feel very confidence in myself, or as you all are hear me, and as first time uh, I speak in front of you. So in my personal life, I am a very good counselor, as my friend, as according my friends. I understand them without saying, or saying few words, with few words. I find out that things that they cannot find out in themselves. I find out that things in my clients, my students, my friends. So I usually expect, I also want, and I also want a person who understand me like that. But it's a empty. Sorry, it's a hollow portion in my life. I got up in early in the morning, 5:30. I'm starting my day with the meditation, some yoga, exercise. After this, I'm doing worship, because I'm a from starting very spiritual. So social problems and these things which troubles anybody uh, teases me so much. Usually, I find out that way. How can I help them? How can I solve them problems? So, in short, this is my little introduction, and I don't know how much well I speak today, but feel very light and confidence. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Very good, Purnima. Thank you very much. I also thankful of you to help me and to cooperate with me. And today's class that was taken by you, I felt very nice. Thank you, Purnima, and thank you to all. I am coming to you back.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.